the market theme gift Nifty sizzles in early action. Hopefully, Nifty bulls build on the morning lead, otherwise, failure to sustain the early momentum could make the ensuing fall even hotter. Our call of the day: the good news is that the backdrop has improved significantly. 1. Wall Street has bounced back. 2. US Treasury yields have retreated from multi-decade highs. 3. Both FIIs and DIIs turn net buyers in Wednesday's negative session. The biggest risk: the road ahead remains tricky as Brent crude hovers near $92 a barrel and uncertainty surrounding the Strait of Hormuz refuses to fade. Bottom line: Nifty's downside for the day shall be limited as India INC earnings remain resilient. Strong earnings could increasingly provide a bottom-up cushion to the market even if index-level volatility persists. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, positive. FII activity, plus 408 crore. DII activity, plus 3974 crore. Brent crude, around $92.50. Overall sentiment, cautious. Market breadth, negative. Nifty's technical setup, weakening momentum. Broad Fano zone, 23,500 to 24,500. USD INR, around 95 rupees and 67 paise. Nifty outlook gift: Nifty's early strength raises hopes of a short covering rebound, but bulls need follow-through buying before calling a durable bottom. Volatility and derivatives. India VIX, around 11.32. Please note, low volatility should not be mistaken for low risk. Any escalation around the Strait of Hormuz could trigger a sudden surge in crude oil, volatility and option premiums. Nifty PCR, at 0.70. Bank Nifty PCR, at 0.71. FI Nifty PCR, at 0.67. Midcap Nifty PCR, at 0.90. August expiry bias: the 24,300 to 24,500 zone remains an important call writing resistance pocket, while put support should increasingly emerge around 24,000 and 23,800. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty? Nifty, 24,078. Support, major support only at 23,606. Resistance, 24,309. Major resistance at 24,707. Expected range, 24,000 to 24,300. Bias, cautious. 21 DMA, at 24,312. 50 DMA, at 23,140. 200 DMA, at 24,705. Nifty has now declined for 7 consecutive sessions. A break below 24,000 could invite further selling, while a sustained move above 24,309 would be the first sign of a relief rebound. Sensex, 76,910. Major support, 76,600. Resistance, 78,500. Expected range, 76,600 to 77,600. Bias, cautious. 21 DMA, at 77,724. 50 DMA, at 77,249. 200 DMA, at 79,758. Bank Nifty, 57,240. Make or break support, 56,700. Major resistance, 58,247. Expected range, 56,700 to 57,700. Bias, cautious. 21 DMA, at 57,415. 50 DMA, at 57,501. 200 DMA, at 57,463. Stock market news. Nifty extended its decline for the 7th consecutive session, ending below 24,100. After the recent relentless selling, even a modest improvement in domestic sentiments could trigger short covering and bargain hunting. The next meaningful leg higher will require institutional conviction, not merely intermittent bouts of bargain hunting. Sectors likely to outperform. Upstream oil and gas, Brent above $92.50 remains favorable for ONGC and Oil India. Metals, tightening copper supply and elevated base metal prices could support selective metal stocks. Defense and electronics manufacturing, strong order visibility and the domestic manufacturing push remain structural catalysts. Sectors likely to underperform. Information technology. Aviation. paints, tires and chemicals. All marketing companies. FMCG. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. HDFC AMC and NAM India, good accumulation candidates on declines, benefiting from India's structural financialization of savings, record mutual fund AUM and sustained SIP retail participation. NAM India additionally stands out for strong market share gains and rapid AUM growth. Railtel Corporation remains in focus after securing a 167 crore rupees EPFO order. The company also holds its AGM on Thursday. Crystal Integrated Services, positive follow-through possible after winning an approximately 134 crore rupees MSRTC work order. Escorts Kubota, in focus as the company is scheduled to hold the groundbreaking ceremony for its new greenfield manufacturing facility at Yeda, Uttar Pradesh, on 20th August. ONGC Oil India, elevated crude remains fundamentally supportive for upstream producers, although these could turn volatile if crude cools sharply. Negative bias. Reliance Industries could remain under pressure if crude geopolitical uncertainty persists. RIL slipped 0.9% Wednesday, underperforming several energy peers. Indigo, Brent around $92 remains the principal headwind because of higher ATF input cost risk. Asian Paints Burger Paints, elevated crude-linked raw material costs remain a potential margin headwind. Apollo Tyres MRF seat, higher crude and crude derivatives could pressure input costs and margins. BPCL HPCL IOC, elevated international crude remains an overhang for marketing margins if retail fuel price pass-through is constrained.